In this video, I'm going to talk about creating your own special ribbon. I just got done creating a video on the quick access toolbar, and I thought, you know, what's an even bigger power move for Microsoft is creating your own ribbon. And so let's go ahead and look at doing that. What I'm going to do to access this, and there's a few ways to do it. I'm just going to go ahead and right click the ribbon and click customize the ribbon. There are other ways to do this. And that went ahead and it loaded currently everything that we see here. But what you want to do is click new tab. And in this new tab, we want to go ahead and rename, so we can click rename. We'll call it Brendan. We'll click OK. And under there, it went ahead and created a new group, which is this section. This would be considered a group. So we'll go ahead and click rename. And we won't choose a symbol, but we'll go ahead and call this tables. And we'll go ahead and add another group. We'll click rename. We'll call this pivot. We'll click OK. Now, what we want to do is begin to populate these two groups. So right now, we'll go ahead and change our selection to tables. And some of the things I love to do with tables is add filters if they're not already there. I also like to go ahead and remove filters. So we'll go ahead and we'll click all tabs just so we have everything here. And if we click the little plus button, so I know that what that section I need is under data and then sort and filter. So I can add my clear. Maybe I like to do sort and ascending, and we could create table format settings, but as you can see, it's easy enough to go ahead and add to a group. Let's go ahead and look at the pivot, because I like to do pivot charts as well, and that's on the insert tab. We'll do tables, and we'll select pivot charts or pivot table. You can also add charts if you want to do pivot charts, this right here, and we'll click OK. Now notice it went ahead and it created my new tab here at the top. I have my filter, clear filter, we can sort, and then we have the pivot table and pivot charts. And so this is a power Microsoft move, because if there's a group of features that you use all the time, instead of digging through the different tabs trying to hunt and peck the different features, you can have your own ribbon custom made for you. And this is not limited to just Excel, which is awesome. You can create one for Word and PowerPoint and the other Microsoft programs. And so you can make your life easier and faster and get through your work more quickly because you have taken the time to set up your own personalized ribbon.